Hey guys, thanks for joining me. This is the Dubro Quick Twist tool. Retails for about $15 to $20, I guess, and it's meant to do little wrappings like this on your leader wire. Now, guys use them for RC sailing to tie off the jib line leads and stuff like that, and I'm just going to show you what I do with it. The wire that I like to use is this AFW toothproof. The nice thing about this wire is it's torsion straightened, and what that means is it forces itself to kind of like a straight line, so you're not always like one way or the other. So here we go. So the first thing you want to do is put a little bend in the wire. So on here, there's a little small peg and a large peg. So you just do kind of like a 90-degree turn on there. At the same time, you want to take your finger and wrap that around the post like that. Now at the end of it, you'll get yourself kind of like this 90-degree bend. So I'll just put that out of the way there. From there, you put it into this little channel that they have going here. You turn it off, you close it off on the end there, like that. Then you turn the wire so the lip part is into this little slot here. And then from there, I like to use a little Allen key bar, and you just slowly turn it. Keep your thumb on the slot. And you just turn it away probably 3-4 times, and that wraps the wire around like that. All right. And then from there, you want to take off the end there. Now, because I'm using a heavier wire, I do have to cut them. So always point it away from you, because the last thing you need is to have a little piece of metal go in your eye. So once that's snapped off, what I also like to do is use a square pliers like that, get it into the slot, and there's a little end that kind of is on there, and you just want to turn it to kind of fold that over on the end. Just kind of gives it a bit more smoother kind of finish. All right, so there you have it. It's just a few seconds and it's all done. I don't know if you noticed, I put a little color coding on here, and the reason for that is so I can see it on my workbench. So it's a small tool. It's about an inch and a quarter big, so it just makes it easier for me to see it. And because they're color coded, it means that pink goes with pink. So these are the tools that I have for when I use my Dubro Quick Twist. All right, thanks for watching.